Hi, Wayne White here again. This time I got something new to teach you, or to suggest to you that you might do. It's you can, if you have a watercolor that you think is too dull or needs more color or needs a touch up, you can do it with pastels. And I've done many watercolors. I've really made a lot of watercolors look much better by adding pastel to the watercolor. And so I'll demonstrate. I picked out one of my paintings that I did. This is on one of the Orcas Islands, Washington, couple of years ago, and I kind of like the painting, but I think it's kind of dull. So what I'm going to do, is I want, after I critique my painting, I can see I don't have enough highlights and enough warm colors in it. Everything is kind of a grayish color. That's how it was, but I want it to look like a better painting. A little pastel set I have that I use for this purpose, and I have a few a few colors in here. And let's see, what can I? Let's see, maybe a warm color. Let's see how this one works. Have a Kleenex and a kneaded eraser. So let's see, we got, the sun must be coming from over here, I guess, so I'm gonna, start adding some warm colors in here. I'm going to add some sunlight, even though I'm sure there was no sunlight, but I'm going to add some sunlight, which will warm that a bit over there. I'm going to lighten the bow. Kneaded eraser and smooth that out. Like that. on this side of the painting, because this is the side of the painting that the sun is hitting. There's no sun over here on the cool side. You don't want to put too much pastel on, just enough. All I did was I added a few highlights, and a little more color in this background, and I lightened up the bow of the boat. I want the boat to stand out more, and I had a few ripples in the water, not very much. You can hardly tell. You can hardly tell what I've done. But I think it's improved the painting. So you can do it almost. You can improve about any painting if you're careful. Here's a little painting from near my son's house in Alaska that I did. It was a quick sketch, and I thought it turned out pretty colorful. There isn't a whole lot that I wish to do on it. If I do anything on it, would probably be to add a few highlights, a few whites. A few ripples in the water. You get to a point you can ruin your painting. I bought this. This is a scene in the Big Island of Hawaii that I painted several years ago. I just pulled it out, wondering if there's much I could do with this. But I've already got so much color in that, I don't see that I can do a lot. I don't think I'm going to touch that today. I probably have some more paintings in there, so if I have time, I'll pull out another painting or two, and we'll do the same thing. And so I hope you watch it next time when I do some more pastel work. Thanks for watching.